Most students are confused, not because they are unserious, but because they lack access to mentors, to people who will hold their hands and lead them by the way. Now, let's fix that today. Choosing a career is one of the biggest decisions that a young person can make today. But unfortunately, many of them don't even know or are not even aware of this because they lack access to mentors who will guide them. They don't even know what their strengths are, and then they are not familiar with how modern day careers work. And then add WAEC, JAM, and NECO stress to top it up. It becomes so overwhelming, and they tend to become afraid of everything that tends to happen in their surroundings. Now, here are the three main reasons for why all this tends to accumulate on them. Firstly, no clear guidance. Students lack access to proper guidance and mentorship, like we have earlier stated. This particular aspect cannot be overemphasized. Secondly, they lack exposure. They are not being exposed to what will bring them out, what will bring out their skills and abilities. And lastly, pressure from parents. Children and young ones are exposed to a lot of pressure from their parents. Now, this now tends to make them to choose careers they don't even know, to choose careers they don't even like, and to choose careers that probably their parents want them to do and not really what they want them to do for themselves. Let me tell you what actually works for our children and the young ones. The first is real strength discovery. They need to understand what their abilities are, what their strengths are, and what they can do, because everyone is born with something that they can do. The second one is a clear roadmap, no guesswork. This actually talks about no guesswork, a clear plan towards achieving their NECO, JAM, and also career-oriented wise, what they want to do, a proper blueprint. Yeah. And then the last one is practical career exploration. This talks about them watching videos that will bring about them to explore different careers, so that from there they can actually get to choose what they want. Reading books, different sort of books. Yeah, and then so at JLGI Academy, our students get this career discovery, long-term planning, and proper guidance, and many more every week from us. So if you want a structured plan for your child or for yourself, stay tuned with us. Follow us on all our social media handles and get to connect with us. More clarity and more insights will be coming in helping your child or you yourself in discovering your hidden talent and abilities. Stay tuned.